Are you a fan of tandoori momos? Well, you're in luck. Delhi has some of the best tandoori momos in the world. And today we are going to show you the top 4 spots to try them. First up, Hunger Strike, located at C9 Amar Colony Market, Lajpat Nagar 4. This restaurant has gained an enormous fan base in just a few years. Their tandoori momos are grilled in a tandoor and served with mayonnaise and red chili chutney, making them top-notch in terms of flavor. Next on the list is Namaste Foods, located at P40A Pandav Nagar, Mayur Vihar Phase 1. If you are a true tandoori momo lover, this food corner is a must visit. They offer a variety of momos, but their tandoori momos are the most delicious. You won't forget the taste and you'll find excuses to revisit this place. Third on the list is Cuties, located at Hudson Lane, GTB Nagar. This restaurant is famous for its tandoori momos, which are big in size and spicy. They even provide a bottle of mint chutney with red chili and garlic chutney on every table for their momo lovers. Finally, if you want to enjoy creamy tandoori momos in East Delhi, head over to Bharat Chicken Inn, located at G1 CSC Pankaj Plaza near Nirman Vihar Metro Station, Lakshmi Nagar. Their tandoori momos are served with hot spicy chutney, and the best part is that they won't burn a hole in your pocket. And there you have it, the top 4 spots to try tandoori momos in Delhi, along with their addresses. These food corners and restaurants have made a special place in the hearts of Delhiites. And once you try their tandoori momos, you'll love to visit them again and again. So what are you waiting for? Grab your friends and head over to these places to indulge in some delicious tandoori momos.